Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I'll be showing you how to wash your dog. I already wet him. Okay, so next down. Okay, you want to put the water not all the way, and you have to have it warm, not too cold or not too hot. So get him in there. Okay. Get him wet. Wet his head, but don't wet his ears or his eyes or his nose. You have to clean his eyes though. Come here. Come here. I have to. Okay, I'll clean your eyes last. Okay. So you want to take the shampoo. This is the shampoo I use. You only put a little bit on. That so. Put a little bit. Put it a little bit here. There you go. So then you have to wash them. Rub it everywhere. You have to do it on not the ears, the head. You have to do it in the private parts as well. And the butt. Do it on the leg. Hey, give me your paw. Come here. You look like a chihuahua when you're in the back. Okay. Do your legs. Okay. Then when you make sure you have all the body parts, now you have to wash it with warm water. To wash his butt and his private. Legs. Wash. Now wash his face. I know. Why are you laying down? He likes it. Don't lay down. Come on. He gets scared sometimes. Get the extra soap out. And then if you can't get the dirtiness in the eyes out, use the towel. Okay.
Paper, not the towel.
Well, not the towel, paper, but first.
Because it's nasty.
Yeah, I know.
Sometimes.
Okay. Next. Come here. Come on. Okay. So put the towel on the floor. No, I don't want you walking off. I don't want the floor wet. But right here. Then you have to surround his whole entire body. Legs too. Hold on. I need a good position for this. Good position. No. Don't dry yourself. I'm drying you. So wrap him around, head to toe. You have to leave his head out because you don't want him suffocating. And you grab a little piece of the towel and start rubbing his head. And you dry him. So that's how you do it. And let me see, do you have a paper?
Yeah.
Where's the paper? Hold on. Pause. Okay guys, so my mom is doing the eye part because I don't completely know how to take it off, and she's a professional because she doesn't like the stuff in the eyes. Max, stay still.
Stay
The what? The head?
Yeah. Come on, Max. Mommy, we need to stop the video so we can do it.
Okay.
I cannot do it with one hand.
Okay, hold on guys. So guys, my mom did it after gagging at his terrible, disgusting eye mucus thing. So that is the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. And yeah, bye guys.